Yeah.
Okay, but how do you know that my pasta was outstanding? It wasn't yours.
Here, let me give you a good squeeze. Come on. Try it again.
Okay.
Okay. Uh-oh.
This is a chance of a lifetime to go up in a fighter jet. This is going to be a really great experience.
Are you okay?
Yes!
Is it sour?
Yes!
How sour?
So much.
Really?
Can I look at the video?
In a minute.
We've got the need for speed today, baby. As the men prepare for takeoff.
Squeeze some juice into your mouth. Come on. I want to see that face.
That face what I just done?
Uh-huh.
It's funny.
Yeah.
Here I go.
Okay.
Dang, for someone so mean like Chef Ramsay, you sure can't snag a good-looking wife.
You can quit eating the lemon anytime you get ready.
I'm done.
Okay.